December 22. We know that today is Maths Day and this is birthday of Srinivas Ramanujan, a great Indian mathematician. He complete algebra, trigonometry, analytical geometry, coordinate geometry in his 10th class days only. And also his innovations are magic squares, continued fractions, prime numbers, elliptic integrals, Mach theta functions, number theory, Gold-Bank conjecture, Roger-Ramanujan equation. So many we have. His number is 1729. I wish you, for all of you, a happy Maths Day for upcoming innovators in mathematics. This is Kakani Maths World. Thank you all of you.